Hello traders and investors everywhere. Adam Hewison here, coming to you from the digital studios of MarketClub. We're going to be looking at Amazon. Last week Amazon came out with their earnings, or lack of earnings I should say, their loss, and people ran to the door. They said, oh my god, look what's happening to Amazon, like it's going out of style, it's going to collapse. That's not the game plan. The game plan for Amazon is to gather more and more and more customers, because when you have all the customers, you win. Sam Walton did this in the 60s. And he won big time. And Jeff Bezos is doing it now. He's going to win also. Look at the stock of Amazon. We're looking at a quarterly chart, a little bit different from what we normally look at. It's a quarterly chart, and it goes back all the way to 2006. But what do you notice about this chart that stands out? Think about it. Amazon's been continually losing money. But look at the chart. It just keeps going up and up and up and up and up. Every time you see a pullback like here, and here, and here, and here, it's time to buy. So the reality is this pullback that we're seeing, which actually we hit a high here for around 408 in January of this year, and we've pulled back. So we've come back from 408 down to about 318. Okay, $90. What's going to happen now? My guess is we're going to see this market regroup right around over the 300 level and start to move higher. So let's take a look at a daily chart to get a better picture. Here's the same chart, daily chart, looking at Amazon. As you can see, we've pulled back right here, and we still haven't taken out the lows that we're seeing last, this is, I think it's in May, around the 284 level. Still, Amazon chugs along. I think what we're looking at here is an opportunity as we go into the third and fourth quarter to be a buyer of Amazon. A couple of things I want to show you. Let's go right into our triangles. So the monthly triangles, you can see right here, are positive from 348. We're 318. I know it's lower, but the weeklies are negative from 321. And that's sort of giving you this trading range level that we're seeing right now with Amazon. So let's scope this in even closer. Just let's go the last the year to date. You see, there's the pullback. We've sort of taken out this level here, but I suspect that this level here, this 285 level is going to hold, and we're going to see the market regroup. But we've gotten very oversold, like we did back here. We haven't seen a turn up. One thing you want to look at here on the RSI, the daily RSI, is a move over the 50 level. That's going to be the key, in my opinion, to wanting to buy Amazon again. But right now, it looks like to me it's pretty attractive as the longer term trend continues to be positive. Moving on to a weekly chart, you can see the weekly still really not great. We've just tipped under the 50 level, which is not a good sign particularly, but our red weekly triangles told us that already. So I think we're going to have to regroup. But I think the other thing to look at also is on the monthly. Going back to the monthly, you can see we're over the 50 line. We're trading around 55 on the RSI. So the longer term trend's still positive for Amazon. It's just a question of picking your point to get in. And I think the best way to do that is either through the weekly trade triangles, which we've talked about, or if you see the RSI on the daily move over 50, that would be a buy point. I would not be surprised to see Amazon really trade back up to this level here, the 400 level. I think it's going to have some very strong quarters. Some of the things that they've been doing, I think it's going to be very, very positive. And I wouldn't bet against Amazon. Just as it was a mistake to bet against Sam Walton in the 60s, it's a mistake to bet against Amazon in 2014, in my opinion. Let's see how things work out. I'm Adam Hewison. Thanks for watching this quick video on Amazon. Have a great trading day, everyone.
You can find Adam Hewison as a regular contributor on Bloomberg, Business News Network, CNBC, and Fox Business News.